understanding elementary shapes. So let's move on to the question answer of this exercise. So the first question is, what is the disadvantage in comparing the line segment by mere observation? So let's look at this line and this line, okay? If you merely observe these, you cannot tell the difference between their length, okay? But if you're drawing like this, okay, these can be compared, but if you are comparing this with this is very difficult to predict which one is larger or which one is smaller. So this is the disadvantage of comparing a line segment by just mere observation. B, second question. Why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? Okay. When you measure a line segment by a ruler, okay, so there are 15 divisions in a ruler, okay, and in every 15 division there is 10 division. These are millimeters and these are centimeters, okay. So the material by which the scale is made can be thicker or can have some defect, so the exact length cannot be measured. There can be some error. But if you are using a divider, by putting one tip of the divider from here and other is here, and then placing it on the scale, you can have the exact measurement of that particular line segment, okay. Third question. Draw any line segment, say AB. Take any point C which is lying between A and B. Measure the length AB and BC and AC. Is AB equals to AC plus BC? Okay, let's have a look on this question. C, third question. This is a line segment AB and C is any point over here, okay? This is like, so this is AC and this is CB. Now measure AC. Here you can say it's 6 centimeter and CB is 3 centimeter. And when you measure overall AB, it is 9 centimeter. So AC plus CB is equals to 6 plus 3, this is 9, which is equals to 8. The length of this will vary because the measurement can vary according to you. You can make it 3.5 centimeter or whatever you are just drawing it, okay? So, but the thing is, AC plus CB will always be equals to AB because C is just another point of it, and if you add this plus this, it is always going to be equals to the whole AB. Fourth, if ABC are 3 points on a line such that AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 3 centimeter and AC equals to 8 centimeter, okay? Which one of them is lying between other two? Fourth, B is 5, BC is 3 centimeter and AC is 8 centimeter. So let us draw it. B, this is 5 centimeter. BC, this is 3 centimeter, okay? And AC is overall 8 centimeter. So B lies between A and C. This is the answer. Fifth question. Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Okay. The figure is on your screen. Now, AD is equals to 3 unit. Okay. And DG equals to 3 unit. You can have a look on the figure. AD plus DG equals to 6 unit, which is equals to AG. So D is midpoint of AG. Sixth question. If B is midpoint of AC and C is midpoint of BD, where ABD lies on a straight line, say why AB equals to CD. Okay. Sixth question. AC, B is midpoint of and C is midpoint of BD. Okay, this distance and this distance is same, and this distance and this distance is same. So AB is equals to BC. Okay, and BC is equals to CD. This is first statement and this is second statement. From these statement, AB is equals to CD. This is the answer. Seventh, draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side. I'll draw one triangle and rest you will be doing it yourself, because it's a measurement question and I cannot show you how can it be measured, but I can tell you how it can be done. This is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, let it be. So A, B, C. AB plus BC equals to 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, which is equal to 10 centimeter, which is greater than AC, which is 5 centimeter. You can check in all other 4 triangles. This will always occur, that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So that's it from this exercise, and I hope this video will really help you all in completing this exercise. Like this video and share it with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe Agla Sen School so that you can never miss any video from us. We will be back with next exercise. Till then, bye.